have these alerts that we're receiving on our phone incessantly?
Yeah, it's set up that we all do. But I keep getting told that it's going to stop due to high activity, but then it just continues.
Right, I know. I'm talking to myself because the phone keeps going off, and I'm like, all right, you promised you're going to stop. And then it just keeps happening. So, all right, as long as she's getting these alerts, I imagine she'll contact us if we're supposed to do anything else. Otherwise, it's not a true alarm.
Yeah, no, so all the higher ups get them. And also Bobby was over there to check on it when we originally started getting them, and we've been just getting the same alert, so.
Received. Thank you.
The question, whether or not they're getting these, and if they're getting tired of getting them like we are.
Look, it's like the alarm that cried wolf. It's ridiculous.
Exactly. Where can I catch up with you? Where are you at?
I am walking towards LRC, but I still have a few minutes so I can meet you in the back of the gym and walk over there.
Just listen for the text tone and you'll find her.
No worries. I was sitting beside your car. I thought you'd walk back up. I'm gonna turn and come up the sidewalk by LRC.
Received.
Right above the trouble, it says fire zone E110 fire alarm for ATC pole barn. Did you receive a call from the fire company or anything, or the alarm company?
No, I have not heard from her either.